Okay.
I'll reply to you later. It's raining, it's snoring, the old man is pouring milk. He ate his head and went to bed and broke his nose in the morning.
Yay! Congratulations, you're now officially stupid.
Yay!
How could he break his nose when he ate it? His nose was on his head.
It's just the way the song went through. There are two heads.
It was weird because we were like trying to sing it and it kept going through our heads and that was what came out.
Well, that doesn't say much for your brain. It says something about you.
And Kate,
Damn.
she was